There are 9 standard accessories of our patient monitor. The first one, SpO2 sensor. The second one, temp sensor. The third one, ECG wire. The fourth one, electro pack with fuse. The fifth one, ground cable. The sixth one, power cable. The seventh one, NIBP extension tube. The eighth one, NIBP cuff. The last one, CD instruction. This is the patient monitor with 50.6 inch. And this is the parameters panel. And this is the back panel. Now we are going to show you how to connect the accessories. This is the power cable. And this is the ground cable. And this is the SpO2 sensor. This is the temp sensor. And this is the ECG wire. And this is the NIBP extension tube. And this is the NIBP cuff. Now we are going to connect together. And then use this connector to link here. Press the power button for 3 to 5 seconds to turn on the machine. And this is the silence button. And this is the alarm dial pause button. And this is for interface freezing button. And this is an NIBP button. This is the printing button. And this is the manual button. And this is the rotary rod. Turn left and turn right, you can choose the functions you want. And now we are going to show you the demo model.